Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve 20 best math MCQ problems aiming for CBSE 2025 board examination, and this is part number 4. The links of the previous 3 videos will be in the description of this video. So let's start without further any ado. Question number 1. The type of the system given by x plus 3y equal to 5 and 2x plus 6y equal to 8 is consistent or inconsistent. So let us find out. So the equations are given: x plus 3y equal to 5 and 2x plus 6y, this is equal to 8. See that this equation is multiplied by 2, then this equation we get, and here it is 8. So these two are parallel lines. Parallel lines. If here instead of 8, 10 was given, then multiplying the first equation, 2 into x plus 3y equal to 2 into 5, that would be 10, and this would be 2x plus 6y equal to 10. Then these two equation, this equation and x plus 3y equal to 5, these two equation are same and they will overlap. The two straight lines are overlapped, but these two straight line are parallel. That means no solution for this equation, and therefore this system is inconsistent. That means option B is correct, inconsistent. Next problem, question number 2. If A is a square matrix such that A square equal to A, then I plus A whole cube minus 7A is equal to what? So this is A square equal to A is given. So this type of matrix called idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix. Okay. So let us compute I plus A whole cube minus 7A. This is equal to I cube plus 3 into A plus 3 into A square plus A cube and equal to 7A minus 7A. So this is A square equal to A, that means A cube equal to A square, and that is equal to A. So A cube is also A. So that means I cube is I, 3A plus 3A square is also 3A, and A cube is also A minus 7A. So this is 7A and this is minus 7A. So got cancelled. I is the answer. That means option number C is correct. Next problem. Question number 3. The function fx equal to kx cube minus 9x square plus 9x plus 3 is monotonically increasing everywhere, then k is what? So this is fx equal to kx cube minus 9x square plus 9x plus 3. Okay, let us find f dash x. So f dash x is 3kx square minus 18x plus 9. Okay, suppose k equal to 3. Okay, that means this is 9x square minus 18x plus 9, that is equal to 3x minus 3 whole square. Okay, so that means this is greater than equal to 0, and when this is 0, add x equal to 1. So if k is greater than 3, then this will be always greater than 0. At x equal to 1, f dash x is 0 when k equal to 3. When k equal to 3. So if we take k greater than 3, that means this will never be 0, always greater than 0. Okay, so that is always greater than 0 if k is greater than 3. And for monotonically increasing, to get or monotonically increasing, we need f dash x greater than 0. So this is greater than 0 when k is greater than 3. Okay, that means C option is correct. Next problem, question number 4. let A be a non-singular square matrix of order 3 cross 3 and date A equal to 5, then adjoint of A, date of adjoint of A. Okay, so this is a non-singular matrix, that means date A is not equal to 0, and here it is given that date A equal to 5. So determinant of adjoint of A, this is equal to determinant of A whole to the power 3 minus 1, that is equal to date A whole square, that means 5 square, that is 25. So option number A is correct. Next problem. Problem number 5. The degree of the differential equation this. So let us first compute this. X square into d square y by dx square equal to x into dy dx minus y whole square. So this is equal to x square into dy dx whole square minus 2 into x into y into dy dx plus y square. So this implies x square dy dx d square by dx square equal to x square dy dx whole square, sorry, whole square minus 2xy into dy dx plus y square. So observe that here the highest order of derivative is 2 and its degree is 1. So the degree of this differential equation is 1. So A option is correct. Next problem. Problem number 6. In a matrix this, the ratio of the cofactor to its minor of the element minus 3. So the cofactor of a element, this is minus 1 whole to the power I plus j multiplied by its minor. Okay. So for this minus 3 is here, and for this I is equal to 3 because this is third row, and j is equal to 2 because second column is this third row and second column. Okay, so for this is minus 1 whole to the power 3 plus 2 m ij or 3 2 same thing. So this is minus 1 into mij, this is of minus 3 and cofactor of minus 3, so that means cofactor and divided by mij of 3 both are equal, so that means equal to minus 1. So the ratio is minus 1. Option A is correct. Next problem. Question number 7. If this is a symmetric matrix, then B is equal to what? So let us take this matrix as A matrix. So this is equal to 1 B5 and B5 0 8 8 minus 6. So when you transpose this A matrix, then again the first row and first column will be B. So we can take any B. B belongs to real number. Any B. For this will be a symmetric matrix because this B and B. This will satisfy for any real number. So answer will be any real number. Option number B is correct. Next problem. Question number 8. If A and B are two independent events such that P of A equal to 1 by 3 and P of B equal to 1 by 4, then P of A union B. So P of A union B what? P of A union B equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. And A and B, these are two independent event. That means P of A intersection B will be equal to P of A into P of B because these two are independent event. Independent events. Okay. So that is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. that is equal to 12 LCM. So this is 4 plus 3 minus 1, that is 6 by 12, that means half. So option number B is correct, half. Next problem, question number 9. If A plus B plus C equal to 0 and mod of A equal to 3, mod of B equal to 5 and mod of C equal to 7, then the angle between A and B. So A plus B plus C vector is equal to 0 vector. That means A plus B vector is equal to minus C vector. So let us dot product A plus B dot A plus B. This is equal to minus C dot minus C. Okay, because A plus B is minus C. So this is equal to mod A whole square plus mod B whole square and 2A dot B equal to C square, mod C square. This is equal to mod A whole square is 9, mod B whole square is 25, and this is mod A mod B cos theta equal to, this is 49. So 2 into 3 into 5 and cos theta, this is equal to 49 minus 9 minus 25, that is 15. Okay, so that means 15 cancelled, so that is equal to cos theta equal to half. So that means theta equal to what? Pi by 3. Okay, so that means D option is correct, 60 degree, that means pi by 3. Okay, next problem, question number 10. If the position vector of the point which divides the join of 2a minus 3b and a plus b vector in the ratio 3:1. So this is the, suppose this is point A and this is point B. So position vector of A point is 2a minus 3b, and for B point this is A vector plus B vector, and this is 3:1. So that means this vector will be, what is this vector? C. So C vector will be 3 into A plus B vector plus 1 into 2A vector minus 3B vector divided by 3 plus 1. The section formula. So this is equal to 3A vector minus plus 3B vector plus 2A vector minus 3B vector divided by 4. So this is equal to 5A vector divided by 4. So BB cancelled. That means option number B is correct, 5A vector divided by 4. Next problem, question number 11. The point which does not lie in the half plane 2x plus 3y less than 12. So let us check one by one for these points. So this is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1. So this is 4 plus 3 equal to 7, which is less than 12. So this point lie. So here it is said does not lie. So this is 1 comma 2. So this is 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. That is again 8, which is less than 12. So this is also lying in the half plane. So this is minus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. So this is minus 4 and plus 9. This is equal to 5, which is less than 12. Now this is 2 comma 3. This is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. This is 13, which is greater than 12. So this point does not lie in the half plane, this less than 12, because this is 13, which is greater than 12. So D option is correct. This point does not lie in the half plane. Next problem, question number 12. Integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Sine cube x dx. First take fx equal to sine cube x. Okay, let us first check whether this function is even function or odd function, which function it is. So we will put minus x in place of x, that means sine minus x, and this is minus sine cube x. So this fx is a odd function, is an odd function. So this integration will be 0 because this is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So a option is correct. I have done this using the property of definite integral. Definite integral. Because there was a property that minus a to a fx dx, this is equal to 0 if fx is odd, and this is equal to integration to 0 to a fx dx, this is when fx is even. Okay, I have used this for property. Next problem, question number 13, integration x e to the power x dx. So this integration done by using by parts, using integration by parts. If you remember this integration, that will be very much better, because this is a standard integration, x e to the power x dx. So we will consider this as a first function and e to the power x as a second function. So first function is as it is, integration e to the power x dx minus integration d dx of first function, that is x, integration e to the power x dx whole dx. So that is x e to the power x, because integration of e to the power x is e to the power x, minus 1 into e to the power x dx. So again x e to the power x minus e to the power x plus c. So e to the power x common, x minus 1 plus c. So option number C is correct. E to the power x, x minus 1 into c plus c. Okay, next problem. Question number 14. Which of the following is integrating factor of the differential equation this? So the differential equation is x ln x dy dx plus y equal to 2 ln x. So dividing by x ln x. So this is dy dx x ln x plus y divided by x ln x equal to 2 ln x divided by ln x and x. So this is dy dx plus y by x ln x. This is equal to 2 by x. So what is integrating factor? Integrating factor is e to the power p dx. Here what is p? Here p is equal to 1 by x ln x. That means e to the power 1 by x ln x dx. This is equal to e to the power dt by t, because we have let ln x equal to t, that means 1 by x dx equal to dt. So this is equal to e to the power ln t, and this is equal to t, and what we have assumed, t equal to ln x. Okay, so the integrating factor is ln x. Okay, that means C option is correct. Next problem. The graph drawn below depicts which function? So this graph, so this is, let us take this graph as fx. So at x equal to 1, so f of 1 is equal to 0 and f of minus 1 equal to pi. So tan inverse 1, so tan inverse x means tan inverse 1, x equal to 1. So what is tan inverse x? Tan inverse, tan inverse 1 is equal to pi by 4. This is not equal to 0, so this is not the answer. And then sec inverse, okay, sec inverse 1 is undefined because cos inverse x equal to sec inverse 1 by x using this thing. So you can see that cos inverse 1 is 0. Okay, that means C option is correct. This graph is cos inverse x. Next problem. Question number 16. The maximum value of z 3x plus 4i subject to the constraints x plus y less than 4 less than equal to 4 and x greater than 0 and y greater than 0 is. So let us draw a graph. So this is the line x plus y equal less than equal to 4. So that means this point is 4 comma 0 and this point is 0 comma 4, and the solution area, feasible area, is towards the origin because less than. So that means this area is the feasible region, and the corner points is this is 0 0 point, this is 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. So z 0 0, this is equal to 0, not maximum this. So this is z at 4 comma 0, this is equal to 12, and z 0 comma 4, this is equal to 16. Okay, that means this is the maximum value, so option number C is correct. Next problem. Question number 17. The function fx equal to e to the power mod x is continuous everywhere but not differentiable at x equal to 0. Continuous and differentiable everywhere, not continuous at x equal to 0, none of this. So see that this is e to the power mod x. So it has a definition break at x equal to 0. This is e to the power x when x greater than 0 or equal to 0, and e to the power minus x when x less than 0. Okay. So the limit x tends to 0 plus fx, this is equal to e to the power 0 and this is equal to 1, and also limit x tends to 0 minus fx, this is equal to e to the power minus 0, which is e to the power 0, and this is also 1. So continuous. So C option is not correct and D option is also not correct. So continuous and differentiable everywhere, and continuous everywhere, not differentiable, not differentiable at x equal to 0. So let us check the differentiability. So this is the left hand derivative, so this is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of, I am writing in one time, this is e to the power minus h minus 1, this is equal to e to the power 0, that is why I have written divided by minus h. Okay, so this is equal to 1 because we have the limit. Here I am writing, we have the limit, we have a result, limit x tends to 0, e to the power x minus 1 divided by x, this is equal to 1. That means limit minus x tends to 0, e to the power minus x minus 1 divided by minus x, this is equal to also 1. So the right hand derivative, RHD, limit h tends to 0, e to the power h minus 1 divided by h, this is also 1. So this is differentiable because the left hand derivative and right hand derivative are equal, so this is differentiable, and because this is differentiable, it is also continuous. That means B option is correct, continuous and differentiable everywhere. Okay, next problem. Question number 18. Area lying in the first quadrant and bounded by the circle x square plus y square equal to 4, and the lines x equal to 0 and x equal to 2. Let us first draw the graph. So this is the circle, and x square plus y square equal to 4. That means this is 2 square. The radius is 2. That means this point is 0, 2 comma 0, and this is okay, minus 2 comma 0. This is minus 2 comma 0, minus 2 comma 0. So x equal to 0, straight line, this is x axis, this is x equal to 0, and this is the point 2 comma 0. So that means this is the line x equal to 2. Okay, so area lying in the first quadrant and bounded by this circle and these lines. So first quadrant is this, and the area is this area we have to find. So the area of the circle, what is the area of the circle? Area of the circle is pi into 2 square, and this area in the first quadrant is the 1/4 of this circle. So this is 1/4 into pi r square, total area of the circle. That means pi. This is 4, so 4 cancelled, this is pi. So answer would be A, pi. Next problem. Okay, question number 19 and 20, assertion reason based question. Question number 19, let f be a polynomial, then the second order derivative of e to the power x, f of e to the power x with respect to x is this. And reason is saying if u and v are two differentiable functions of x, then d dx of u into v this. So you can see this is the product rule, but this is not correct, because we have learned that product rule is this, u into dv dx plus v into du dx. This is the product rule, so this is not correct. So r is false and a is true. This option should be the answer, but assertion is also incorrect. So let us take a second degree equation. So this is x square plus minus x plus 1. So what is f of e to the power x? This is e to the power 2x minus e to the power x plus 1. Okay, so f dash x is what? 2 e to the power 2x minus e to the power x plus 1. And f double dash x, this is 4 e to the power 2x minus e to the power x plus 1. So how this relation is coming? This is also incorrect. Okay, next problem. Question number 20, the function f r to r fx equal to mod x is not 1 1, and reason the function fx equal to mod x is not onto. So the graph of mod x is like this here. So after drawing a horizontal line, it cuts in the 2 points. So that means for two values of x, that means minus 2 mod minus 2 equal to 2, and mod 2 is also equal to 2. So this is not 1 1. So A is correct, and the function mod x is not onto. It is false, because for all real number mod x is defined. That means the function is actually onto. So that is, it is false and A is correct. So that means C option is correct. A is true, but R is false. So I hope you have understood all the problems. So thanks for watching, and I will be back with another video very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care.